Welcome to Learn to Earn Minds. Glowing Star, get ready for a fun learning journey where we explore new ideas and grow together. Hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and join our community of curious minds. Your support means a lot. Let's make this journey awesome and rewarding.
I made this in less than 2 minutes. Watch this quick tutorial and follow each step to the end. First, search for VidNaz AI on Google. Click on the website that appears, and the interface will be in front of you. Log in to VidNaz AI, and then click on Create Free Video. If you don't have an account, sign up with your Gmail account. Since my account has already been created, I'm proceeding with VidNaz. Various templates and options will be available. Choose an avatar. You can also select one from here. I will choose any avatar and click Create Video with this avatar. After a while, this interface will open. Here you can type anything. My text is already written, so I can paste it. You can also change the background from here. There are many backgrounds available. I select this one. You can select any music from here. You can select anyone. Just click on Generate. After a while, your video will be created.
Welcome to Learn to Earn Minds. Glowing Star, get ready for a fun learning journey where we explore new ideas and grow together. Hit the like button, subscribe for more exciting content. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more VidNaz tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy avatar creating!